Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is Liquid Ocelot. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about how to calculate your lifetime earnings on Medium. So the Chrome extension that worked for me is called Fractions. Just make sure to go to your extensions over here and pin it. So I'll simply click this Fractions button and see, my friends, what happens. $1,800 lifetime earnings, comparing it to my main YouTube channel which I created in 2011, almost $1,700, my friends. So Medium is paying me pretty good, my friends. So my friends, what I'm going to talk about is, if you have a suggestion for my Medium related YouTube channel, you can ask in comments. I'll highlight you and tag you in the title of the video, and people can click it then, and you will have free eyeballs on your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, press the bell notification bar for future updates. Thanks for watching, my friends.